Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering the phone off and creating a clean workspace. This prevents short circuits and loss of settings. Once done, inspect the frame and screen edges for hairline cracks or trapped debris that could affect reassembly. Make sure to remove the SIM tray and battery if removable, and place devices on an ESD mat. You'll need small drivers, a suction cup, and plastic picks ready. Gathering these now saves time and reduces the chance of damaging delicate connectors. You apply gentle heat along the seams to soften adhesive, aiming for about 50 to 60 degrees Celsius so the panel separates cleanly. Once a gap forms, use a suction cup and plastic picks to lift the display while avoiding flex cables. After opening, disconnect the battery first to eliminate power flow. Next, remove the display connector and any shielding screws, then fit the replacement display or digitizer, aligning connectors carefully. Before resealing, reconnect battery briefly and power on to verify touch and image. This prevents rework. You complete the repair by reseating all connectors and replacing any shielding plates, making sure screws go back to their original holes and torque is modest to avoid stripping. Once hardware is secure, apply fresh adhesive or reinstall clips and press the panel evenly to bond. Then run a full verification. Test touch response across the screen, the front camera, proximity sensor, and display brightness. If something fails, perform a soft reset, power down, and reseat suspect connectors. Many issues come from a slightly misaligned flex or loose contact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.